Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're on an insider version of 24H2, which is getting the regular updates, that's like all the other updates today, second Tuesday of the month of August. And we are at Patch Tuesday or Security Update Tuesday, like Microsoft likes to call. And so if you go and check your updates, you will see that there will be in your updates being pushed to you the cumulative update for Windows 11 24H2 KB 504 1571. There's also a .NET Framework update coming today through Patch Tuesday for security updates also on the packages of .NET. And this is, of course, what is available for 24H2. It fixes 47 vulnerabilities, 4 critical, 43 important. So this is important to do so because 4 critical means that there is something going on. And of course, if you look at your Windows version, once that is done, it will be pushed at this version of 26100.1457. And that includes bug fixes also for BitLocker. That affected all the Windows 11 systems where you could be sent to recovery, BitLocker recovery, after the update of last month. So this is important, especially for the 4 critical. We're going to have a rundown of the different updates, and we'll be looking at the critical vulnerabilities. It is interesting to note that 24H2 does have 8 vulnerabilities less than 23H2 and 22H2, which is kind of interesting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.